Hey guys, Rich Polygon here, and today we're going to be doing a tier list of my favorite characters, all the way from the beginning to the end. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit the like button, and if you do, please make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss a video. And as always, a comment down below. Without further ado, let's begin the tier list with Lily from Pokemon. Lily began in Pokemon Sun and Moon when she was afraid of Pokemon, and now she got a little braver because, well, because of her past. So I'm putting her in D for defense, respectfully in defense. The next one is Serena. Serena's from Pokemon XY, and then she appeared back in Pokemon Journeys with short hair. I really do not like her with short hair, but I do love her with the long hair. So I'm putting her in C. Serena definitely belongs in C because, well, she cut her hair to make it short, and I really like her with the long hair. It was special. Like Dawn, for example. She was the next one, and I'm putting her in B. Just because, well, she's a coordinator. Actually, I'm putting her in A. Okay, who's next? Alright. Oh yeah, Dawn is a coordinator. She got good coordinating skills. She's nice. And I chose this picture because she winks. Really cute. The grumpy old troll. Well, I do like this one. This picture is from Dora 2023. And he's actually one of my favorite characters because, well, because of the green eyes. But he asks riddles in the Rich Polygon Squad. So definitely in B. Because, well, the grumpy old troll. Cool. With the green eyes. But he asks riddles. Sort of like silly questions. Anyways. The next character is Frog from Word World. Frog is spelled F-R-O-G. I definitely love him in A. Alright, where was I? Yeah, Frog loves to create things. He even found a banana. He even took some piano lessons. Yeah, that was really good. Alright, who's next? Yoshi. Definitely an S. Because, well, Yoshi's my favorite character from video games. And Nintendo. It's really, really cool. Alright, who's next? Liko. Liko is from Pokemon Journey series. Make that Pokemon Horizon regions. She was the new main character of Pokemon. And, I'm definitely putting her in A. Like Dawn and Frog. Because her partner is a Pokemon that's the color green, Sprigatito, and then evolved into a new Pokemon. I'll tell you what it is at the end of the video, okay? Puss in Boots, yes! Definitely an S. Because Puss in Boots is my favorite cat in the entire world. Including Garfield. I should have added him in the tier list video, but if I would, I'm definitely putting him in S. Yeah. But let's just stay in category with Shrek next. Well, Shrek is an ogre. He does not like anyone getting near his swamp. Nobody. So if I had to pick, I had to go with B. Like the grumpy old troll. Indeed. So the next character is Rudy. Roddy, whatever his name is from Rush Away. He's the main character. And I'm definitely putting him in A. You see, Rudy is from Flush Away, and he's living under the sewers now. Because he saved the sewers from Le Flog, which is the next character, putting him in B from being flooded away. Yeah, and Le Flog is in B because he's the main villain, but I still do love frogs. Yeah, anyways, the next one is Tai Long. He's one of the members of the Witch Vine Squad. Yep, and he's also the main villain of Kung Fu Panda. There are two different types of Tai Longs. Yep, so definitely putting him in A. Yeah, and I remember that thing could stretch. Yeah, it was so good. Yeah, really good. Alright, who's next? Bowser. Bowser is from the Mario series. He's the main villain. He almost tried to destroy the Mushroom Kingdom. And then he just turned tiny. So, definitely in B. It was kind of funny seeing Bowser small. Alright, who's next? Oh yes, definitely Sonic belongs in S. Because, well, Sonic is my favorite character in the Sonic series in the entire world. Sonic, I love it. So who's next? Lightyear. Definitely in B. Whoa, B and A are stretched out. Anyways, Buzz Lightyear is movie. And it's not the cartoon version, but the year that I saw Lightyear, saw some weird action. It was really crazy. So, who's next? Oh yeah, Elliot. Elliot belongs in S. He's not the smartest, but I do like his character's name. Yeah. Well, he also got hit by a truck. Yeah. Not enjoyed it. It was very crazy. Ian, the deer, if you're watching this, be nice to Elliot the next movie, please. Thank you. So the next character is Flint Lockwood. Flint Lockwood is an inventor like Frog, but his inventions go wild and crazy. So I'm putting him in C, the same place as Serena. Because his crazy got out of control, like the Flint's if never. Yeah. Alright, who's next? The Genie. Genie from the Lamp. Genie is the host of Disney's Think Fast. He's also one of the characters from Aladdin. And I really love him. So, just to respect him, I'm putting him in A. The same place as Dawn, Rong, Liko, Roddy, and Tai Lung. Yeah. Who's next? Maui. Oh yeah. What can I say except you're welcome? I do love that song. It's been stuck in my head for years. So definitely in B. The same place as the Grumpy Old Troll, Shrek, LeFleur, Bowser, and Buzz Lightyear. And it was very crazy. Yeah. Alright, Minnie. Definitely in A. Because, oh, imagine Minnie's power. was actually pretty good. Okay, who's next? Ariel? How did that get in there? Oh well. Just for Gabby in the stars, if you're watching this, I'm putting her in A. Because, well, Ariel is a princess, just like you. Just with some support. But the beam, yeah, definitely in D. Because I saw him kissed Tiana as a frog, and ugh, it was creepy. Ugh, I really do not like that. So who's next? A Bug's Life Flint. Definitely in D too. Because, well, respect me, I'm allergic to ants. I'm not kidding. I'm actually allergic to ants. And I'm not kidding. I'm really allergic to ants. If an ant bites me, I start sneezing. It was actually really crazy. Yeah, who's next? Mater. Yeah, I'm definitely putting him in S. Oh my god, now there are 3 slots being stretched. Anyways, for Mater, he has a great tale called Mater's Tall Tales. And if I have a Nintendo Wii again, and if I have Mater's Tall Tale, the video game, I'll definitely do a gameplay of that with some friends. If you guys want to do that in the comments. Yeah. Oh yes, definitely Pooh and S. Because he's my favorite when he was a child. He's my all-time favorite when I was a little child. Yeah. Wally definitely belongs in S too. Because Wally is a robot. Is my favorite robot. That was my first time watching Wally. It was in 2009 on DVD. I really loved it. Yeah. Oh, and Mike Wisconsin goes in S too. Because Mike Wisconsin, you're the best. So, here's the tier list. For S, we have Yoshi, Puss in Boots, Booty Sonic, Elliot, Mater, Pooh, Wally, and Mike Wisconsin. For A, we have Dawn Pokemon Trainer, Frog from World, Liko, Roddy, Tai Long, Genie, Minnie, and Ariel. In B, we have the Grumpy Old Troll, Shrek, LeFlog, Bowser, Lightyear, Buzz Lightyear to be exact, and Maui. For C, we have Serena and Flint Lockwood. And finally, we have Lily, Prince Naveen, and Flint with the Bug's Life for D. And that's the whole tier list of all Disney or characters that I like. Yeah. And it was very good. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit the like button. As always, if you're new, remember to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. That means you won't miss any videos in my channel. And remember to leave a comment down below. Until next time, my friends, adios.